Good evening, everybody. Good to see you today. I forgot something. Okay, now it's a little bit better. Welcome to a very head-filled stream. Today I'm going to continue with yesterday's work, which was freeCodeCamp's second project, which is a survey form. And yesterday I coded until the, let me just see, we went until the age input, and now all we need to do is current, let's say, job status, and how likely would they recommend the restaurant to their friends or family, and what do you, we're gonna make it very similar to the freeCodeCamp one. What I'm doing is like a survey form for a restaurant. What the freeCodeCamp example is a survey form for the freeCodeCamp service itself. And then there is a drop-down menu with what do you like most about the, in my case, restaurant. And we have this multiple checklist of what could be improved in the future. And then there you have this like several options you could choose. And there is a comment box also, and a submit button. So yeah, okay, let's go. Today is gonna be a very alcohol-free stream. I didn't buy a beer. Maybe tomorrow, maybe not, you never know. But what I do have is, I'm gonna show you now. I have this very cute cup from the island of Jeju. It's a Starbucks cup, and it can be only bought from that island. Let me show you, but it's full of hot tea, so, or Hanra, but it's pronounced as Halla Mountain. Yeah, so today I'm gonna have a tea, but what kind of tea I forgot actually. Something about something geisha something, I'm not sure. I think it was from a hotel actually. It's from a hotel that I stayed on a work trip in Jeju. So technically the cup is made for it. So yeah, beer maybe tomorrow, maybe not. At least there's a drink. And let's see. Okay, I think I did it for 3 minutes. So now, oh, by the way, the head is Seattle Mariners, which one of my favorite players, he played there for a year, Daeho Lee, or also known as Ideho in Korea. So that's why I keep track of them from time to time. I can't say that I have a really like a favorite MLB team. I like, I'm also very unshaven, which is going to be fixed tomorrow. I keep track of the Red Sox, Boston's Red Sox. I keep track of Toronto's Blue Jays, and also I keep track of Seattle and the San Francisco Giants. These are the teams that I track what's happening from time to time. One team is doing amazing, the other 3 teams, yeah, let's hope next season they're gonna do better. Okay, so I just switch to the view. We have the current form on one side, and then we have the Visual Studio Code on the other side. Let me just turn off the sound because I have this, my monitor, my phone is over here so I can see live chat. So yeah, let's start. So what we have over here is You can see from my current page what I'm doing is, let's put this guy over here. I have only the name, email and age, which are properly tagged. I hope. We have a div, a bigger div class. It's pretty much the body, a container, and then we have a smaller container for the form, and then inside the form container there's a container for every single entity, which is pretty much the name, the label, and then you have the input box itself. Later we're gonna have to separate them. The name is gonna, the labels are gonna go on the left, the inputs are gonna go on the right, and we're gonna try to match them. So yeah, okay, let's continue on. Let's see what this code pen has over here. Now what we have to do is we need a drop down menu. A drop down menu. Oh, let me just open my key for a little bit. Okay, so now we would have, well, now we have T on the side. Yeah, I use the hot pot, so I can't really control the temperature of the water. Avid fans of tea might be angry, but that's how I do it. Oh damn, that's hot. Okay. Oh, I had a viewer and now I don't have anymore. Okay, so what you need to do is you need a drop down menu. Just a second. Okay. Okay, sorry for the delay. Okay, we have a drop down menu, right? We need a drop down menu, so menu HTML. Oh, still I had this weird cough charging inside my throat. Okay, how to create the hoverable drop-down menu. No, we don't need HTML select tag. Okay, let's see the select tag and what it has to offer. Yeah, okay. Looks like we need this fellow. And let's see if we're going to be able to make a happy little accident, as the great Bob Ross, or as he's called in Korea, Bob Ajushi, is famous for saying that people don't make mistakes, they just make happy accidents. Okay, so select, so let's see, but for this select, see where we have the text over here, the label. Oops, sorry. And then we have the select itself, but then we have also select an option, which might be a, oops, you might hear the vibration from my phone. Okay, so we need to yeah, I guess we need another div from this survey form. Oops, no, not this one. What I did is I have these guys in one form. Oh wait, does mine have the same thing? No, it does not. Why? Yeah, let's go to freeCodeCamp's example and analyze the code. JavaScript, we don't need it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, not maximize, minimize. I told you to minimize. Okay, so from here we can see that it has enter your name. I wonder what is autofocus. And then we have the email, and then we have age, and then we have the write that number. Oh, name, age, ID number, minimum 1, maximum 125. Class input field. Well, I don't have it. I have an ID of age, a name of age, and then type. This thing does not have a, it has a type and it's a number, so this is where the problem is. Number. And the placeholder, we have it over here. Oops. Looks like we missed a quote over there. Has a number and then it has a minimum, so you have to specify how much is the minimum. Yeah, let's be more compliant, so let's put 13, because if you're under 13 you should not be filling any survey forms, to be honest, in my opinion. And maximum is, let's make it like 100. I don't think anyone over the age of 60 is gonna bother himself filling survey forms for a restaurant. Let's be realistic over here. Not bad tea. Interesting taste. And wait, I'm gonna need something to do first. My processor is getting, yeah, my processor is a little bit under pressure because we have the camera, we have the both screens. Let me just turn off the camera for a little bit and see what we can do. And then you can see that they also did close the TIFF and close the bigger one. Then what they did is they have a label which I'm going to put, or did they actually? Wait, if we close this guy, right tab, we close this guy, tab, 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 email label, bang. Let's see if we close it, what's gonna happen. Yep, looks like they're in a bigger containers. So what we have over here is row tab, row tab, oh no, actually not, sorry. Survey form, okay. So the form itself, and then we're gonna hear what do you like most in FCC, which is okay. Wait, so I have we have a div that's actually not required. So let's just remove this guy, we don't need him. And beautify. Okay. Div. So what do we need over here is what do you like most in FCC? No, we don't need you now, buddy. Go away. Drop down menu. Wait, I'm gonna try not to watch. Let's see, I'm not gonna try not to watch over there. I'm gonna try to do it myself. We don't want to cheat on live camera. Input. No. Sorry, this is label. And then for the label, first let's put the label. What do you like most in? Do you like? Oh no! Oops! I'm watching the wrong thing. So let's just click them. What is your occupation? Occupation, and then I'm gonna just create in advance another container. Then for this container, we're gonna put a class, which I call it left label, because it's gonna be on the left side. And from over here, I'm gonna cheat a little bit actually. So they have current pause switch option. I wonder where do you use for. W3 school, help me. For HTML. I read it yesterday and I already forgot it. Attribute, okay, the for attribute, when used together with the label element, the for attribute specifies which form element is a label is bound to. When used together with the output element, the for attribute specifies the relationship between the result of the calculation and the elements used in the calculation. Example, we have 3 radio buttons, right? Form action, okay, we have the form, label form male, then we have input type radio, name gender, ID male, value male, female, other. So we're gonna need the radio buttons later actually. We're going to need the radio buttons over here after the student. So this is a very good example. We might, yeah, let's keep it over here. Attribute specifies which form element is label bound to. Okay, I think I get it. Okay, processor, now it's a little bit better. So it looks like it's only 5 degrees. No. Save. Let me just see what's happening over here. Okay. You see, so now we have the option to choose, but it's quite small. But yeah, later we're gonna increase the size in CSS. Not a problem, because I guess automatically it just matches the number, the maximum number, which is, if I'm not mistaken. What did I put 70, right? No, I put 100. Let's fix it later in CSS. What are you? Required. And let's continue on from here. You're gonna need an input. And I already forgot how they did it. So for in this case they have a select, we don't have input, so it's a selection. Okay, makes sense, makes perfect sense. And they have an ID, it's gonna be a drop down, current position, class drop down. So you, with option you put a, okay, this is interesting. So looks like I'm gonna have to look at this, because I haven't tried the select method yet. Select, and let's ID this guy, and we're gonna ID the guy as occupation without a question mark. Is it raining outside? No, it's not. It sounds like raining, but yeah. Sorry. Okay, so what you need to do is ID the guy, name it, occupation, oops, and then class it. class, yeah, let's use drop down. And close this guy. And over here it looks like we have the options now. So okay, so let's put option and then disabled value. Select an option. Let's be polite and put please select an option. And then we need option for every other option value. So we need to put the value to every single one. Okay. High school. Oh, it's too big. HS student. Close this fellow. High school student. And then let's go to another option. I wonder if there is a... Yeah, let's do an experiment actually. Option. Close it. Command enter. Okay, so it looks like on the key, instead of scrolling all the way to the end with the arrow key, you can just command and enter it, and it just goes automatically on the next field without moving anything before. Value. Uni student. We're gonna need a university student. Uni. Capitalize university student, and then let's go. We don't need this guy. Option value, and then what we have? We have a job. Let's see how many options actually they have. Full-time job, full-time learner. Prefer not to say. Okay, and other. We're gonna go big now. Job, and then close this guy. Full-time job. Value. Veteran, and then we close this guy. Or actually let's put army, and then current, because you want to have this up. Army soldier. No. How would you describe this? Would it be a full-time soldier or a... Wait, okay, we go to Google. Occupation, soldier. Soldier occupation definition. No, I don't mean it in this type of occupation, as in occupation. I need occupation is a job. Soldier job. Bloody hell, I gotta write this description. Professional soldier. Let's say professional soldier, right? Because there's some country like South Korea that they still have a mandatory army service. Professional soldier, but not a soldier. And oops, okay. And then we have the option. Value, and then army, veteran. Army, veteran. Okay. Value. Asking if you're unemployed, that's a little bit, yeah, better to use what they have this prefer not to say. So this disclose, it's not disclosure. Not say. Rather not say. And then we have the option of option value other, and then we have other. Or wait, no, we don't need this guy over here. Oh, wow, okay. Command and delete on the Mac is delete everything until the line. Interesting. Learning some new keys every day. Other. Or rather not say. Some people might think that it's better to separate both of them. In my opinion, it's better to put them together. Okay, save this guy and let's see what's happening with our form. Bang, working, perfect. And what now we have? Okay, we close this div, this container, and then we need a new container. It's gonna be class. Oh, and I forgot something which I'm going to include in a second. Label. Over here we do not label our friend. Class right input. From over here, let's go to label for how should we name this one? How likely is that you would recommend freeCodeCamp to a friend? recommend. For recommend. Ooh. Wait, why don't we have anything over here? For recommend. And then how likely are you to recommend our restaurant to family, friends slash or establishment? Let's use establishment. Okay, perfect. No. Okay. Div class right input maybe later I'm gonna need to put more IDs on them, but let's see how it's gonna work out first, because we're gonna need to have the same font for everything, and this is better to be controlled with a class, right? Flip the head around. And what we just saw on W3 School was the label. So in this case, if you put the label first, there is the label and then there is the radio button. But we don't need it like this. We need to have the radio button first and then the label later. Okay. But apparently we're gonna need the form first. Form. Action. Oops, no, we don't need an action. Form, class, ID actually, recommend, form, and then from here what we need to do is 안녕하세요. 채팅방 못 봤네요. 저도 프레이머 X 조대장 2주 전에 받았는데 제대로 못 썼어요. 아직도 뭐지 코드장도 안 만들었다던데요. 코드는 옆에 따로 만들어야 된다고 막 그러던데. 근데 좀 쓰기 편했던 것 같아요. 배울 게 진짜 많아요. 오케이, 집중할게요. So from form, recommended form, we close this guy down, then open it up, and we need to put, first is the input, and then what are we gonna ask again? I forgot. Most likely, maybe, not sure. You got it. So we have for most likely. Yo, there is no for, damn it. Label, input type. Why are you not working all of a sudden? Type radio, and then name the guy most likely. And then we have another friend, which is gonna be, do we need to ID it? Maybe yes. ID most likely value. Yeah, we need to put a value because we don't have a value. Value is most most likely. Let's see if it actually works. I have no idea if it's gonna work properly. Oh wow. We have something working. And then, but we don't have a label for this fellow. I wonder actually how they did it over here. They call it user rating, okay. And then they have div class list style none. Oh, they use the list. Yo, maybe I need to use a list also in this case. Keep my momentum. You can listen to my bad English pronunciation. Enjoy. You can practice listening to East European English. Not very British, but still European. Okay, so this guy over here is, so they have a list UL, so you gotta say unsorted list style, list style. Bang. None. Wonder why. And then we go to list, and what do we have? We have a class. Class radio. Oops, nope, back. Also, then we put, okay, so inside the list we put the label itself. Label, wait a second. But later we can target the labels directly, so we don't need to put a class on it, I guess. Let's see. We have the label itself. Close it down. And then let's go. Most likely. And then we're gonna need another clean call. Let's see. Wait, input label, definitely. Oh, damn. So inside the label itself we have the input. Makes sense, to be honest, because you want to have them together. Okay. Really? Why? Unorganized list, and then you have style. We call it list style, then none. And then you go to the first list selection, which is gonna be a class radio. You put the label, and you put the input radio button. Okay. Damn. Okay, this is getting quite complicated. I haven't practiced using buttons since or maybe I practiced a long time ago. I don't remember anything. Okay, so name it. Name the guy. Radio. Button. I don't like to write the whole thing. Or should I? Nah. I'm gonna break it. If it breaks something later, I'm gonna have to fix it. Type. And then we call it radio. Class. Recommend form like that with okay. We close the guy. Experiment, let's see. Bang. But it's the other way around. Maybe later in CSS we're gonna fix it, I don't know. Let's see first. Okay. So now that we have the first button, let's try the second one the same way. Or you know what? Better to write it. If we type it, we're gonna remember it better. We're gonna remember it faster. Or at least we hope so. I hope so. And then label it. Maybe. And then inside the maybe we're going to need an input, the name, radio button, value to 1, oops, nope, type is radio, class is, oh, it actually had it auto selected, which is nice. recommend form, close this friend over here, and then let's go down again, list, class radio, bang bang, label the guy, close it, but why? If we have a most likely, we don't have, we need to have a definitely. Definitely, most likely, maybe, nope. Yeah, just for the fun of it, let's just put a nope over here. Just for the fun of it, radio button. Value to 1. And then we go to type, not tile. Wait, where did you go, by the way? Type. Radio class recommend form, and then I close this fellow over here. So let's put one more over here, which is the list class is gonna be a radio, bang bang. Put the label on it. As Beyonce sings, put a ring on it. We're gonna put the label on it. Put the label on it. Put a label on it. Yeah, let's be more fun for sure. Defi. What am I writing? Definitely. DEFINITELI. There you go. Down input. And from input we go to name. Radio button. Value of 1. Type of radio, yep, and then class of recommend form. So now if we save it, and you're going to have 4 options. Nice, yay. Definitely, most likely, maybe nope. Yeah, let's be a little bit more bright, a little bit jokey. 밥 아저씨 말씀하신 대로 참 쉽죠. 그게 참 쉽지 않네요. Form. Okay, we have this form closed, and then we have the container closed, and what we need is, what do you most like in FCC? So there is an empty space over here. Why? Let's go down and see. We closed it. We closed another container. Where is this container going? I have no idea. Close, 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 close. Things that should be improved. Nope. No. Too far, buddy. Oi, calm down. What do you like most in FCC? Okay, so apparently this fellow is where? User rating. What is going on? Okay. Roll tab. In my case, I'm using the right input. If it's working, it's okay. Hope so. Ooh, okay. No. We're gonna do it. Turn off this for a second. 저 다음에 프레임워크스 라이브 스트림 하나 해볼게요. 뭔가 다른 건지. 근데 일반 프레임워크도 제대로 못 배웠는데. 코피 스크립트도 못 배우고 지금 리액트 배워야 하는데 큰일 났네요. 근데 막 어떤 사람들 그거 말하는 것도 뭐 그 리액트 필요 없이 그냥 컴포넌트 많이 앞으로 컴포넌트 스토어에 확장할 계획이라서 그냥 다운받아서 막 넣으면 또 된다고 하는데 그렇게 될지 모르겠네요. 사용자 많아야 컴포넌트 스토어도 커지지 않을까요? 맞아요. 옛날에 어떤 사람이 저한테 우리는 이게 번역하기 어려워서 죽을 때까지 배워야죠. 스튜디오 혹시 그거 스튜디오 해보셨어요? 스튜디오 인비전 스튜디오 해보셨어요? 인비전 초대장까지 받았는데 스튜디오 제대로 못 써봤어요. 뭔가 스케치에 너무 익숙해져서 제대로 못 쓰겠어요. 아니면 너무 너무 메타 받아서 그런지 기능이 좀 부족했던 것 같아요. 그때 지금 업데이트 안 해서 어디까지 업데이트 했는지 모르겠네요. 맞죠? 그냥 그 뭐지 홍보는 너무 잘했는데 너무 막 이게 뭐 최강의 둘이다. 이 둘은 아니면 뭐 인터랙티브 디자인 못한다, UX는 못한다 막 완전 막 홍보 엄청 했는데 쓰다 보니 별로네요. 인비ዥ널이랑 잘 되겠죠? 그 진짜 홍보는 막 3개월 동안 초대 안 받으면 후회할 거다. 사람들 막 와, 이 둘은 진짜 최고다. 와, 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 와 하면서 안 받았는데 스케치보드 훨씬 더 부족해요. 그래도 스케치보드는 검은색 있었어요. 검은색 배경. 그거 좋았어요. 근데 지금 또 뭐지 어차피 다음 OS부터 검은색 다 메뉴 다 나오니까 스케치도 검은색 자동으로 그냥 생겼죠. 그거 그 무슨 둘 안 받아도 그 12달러인가 그 위산 그 엑스텐시 있었죠. 이미 있죠. 그 돈 내야 되죠. 그 사람들 막 그 아이콘 다 그린 거는 이해하죠. 다 그려야 됐었는데 어차피 다음 OS 업데이트부터 다 바뀌니까 굳이 12달러까지 내야 되는지 모르겠네요. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go on with our work. Wait, do I need a form? I don't need a form. Let's get through this, buddy. Bye bye. Where are you? Nope, we don't need you. Bye bye. Beautify. Okay, perfect. Save. Cleaner code is a better code. Okay, we can choose only one because it's a radio. And 잠깐만요. 몇 시간 됐죠? 스트림은 꺼버렸네. 1시간 정도 되겠죠? 라이브로 몇 시간 하는지 안 나오네요. 오케이. 오, 1시간 넘었네요. 오케이, 이게 끝내고 자야죠. 챌린지 아니고 봅시다. 오케이, back to English. 여기는 그냥 빈 공간이 있는데 그냥 패딩이랑 마진만 좀 더 줬네요. 아래에. 오케이, 그럼 따로는 컨테이너 안 넣어도 되겠네요. 빈 컨테이너 넣어볼까요? Yeah, let's just put one. Let's put a container over here for the fun of it. Div class, and let's put the class to empty. Empty, and then we close it down. Because now it's getting a little bit hectic. Placeholder name required. What is your name? Oh, okay. It's okay like this. And then over here we need another drop down menu. So how are you gonna do it? Just copy this guy. Let's copy this fellow over here and then just paste it. And let's put the occupation. Oh, we don't have a label. This is not good. This is not good at all. Div and then class right left label. We close down the class, we go down one step, and then we put the label itself, which the label itself is going to be for like, let's go just like, simple. Let's go for like, and then close it down. Which menu do you prefer? Okay. And from over here we're gonna need ID is gonna be like, and then the name is gonna be like, the class is gonna be drop down, which is we're gonna need a disabled. Please select an option, and then we're going to need morning or breakfast menu. And then let's have a lunch. Dinner and supper. Breakfast, dinner, supper. We're going to use the British way. In the UK, it's breakfast, dinner and supper. If I'm not mistaken. And supper menu. Let's change the value to breakfast. Let's change this value to dinner, and let's change this value to supper. Or is it? Was it like this? 제가 영국 턴으로 알고 있어요. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Oops, 죄송합니다. 기억 잘못됐네요. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. 맞네요. 그리고 이 친구들 뱅 없애기. But we need to put one more option. Value. And then let's put brunch. Breakfast menu, brunch menu, no. Lunch, afternoon. 아니, 잠깐만. 아, 진짜 헷갈리네요. 영국은 breakfast, lunch, dinner. 미국은 tea time. tea. Wow. The evening meal is usually called tea, dinner, or supper. With what is traditional British dinner? Brussels sprouts, carrots, and roast potatoes. Roast lamb. Yeah, right. I'm gonna believe you. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, breakfast, dinner, tea. 오늘도 새로운 거 배웠네요. 아직도 breakfast, dinner, tea라는 사람이 있네요. 저녁은 tea라고 하네요. 어차피 티타임 5시 반부터니까 그냥 아예 저녁이네요. 오케이. 네, 여기 써있네요. 선택이도 안되네. 맞아요. 인도에서 티 문화 훔쳐가지고 그거 맞죠? 그렇죠. 자메이카에서 설탕, 미국에서 옥수수랑 감자. 제가 알기로 옥수수랑 감자는 미국에서 갖고 온 걸로 알고 있어요. 피쉬는 칩스인데 미국에 안 갔으면 칩스도 없을 거예요. 피쉬만 있었을 거예요. Fish and fish. 맞아요. Fish and fish. 오버진. 아, 맞아요. 아, 여기 이게 차이 되게 잘 정리되어 있네요. Eggplant. aubergine, 비트루트, 이게 뭔지도 모르겠네요. biscuit, cookie, candy floss, cotton candy, 솜사탕. 붉은색 무이군요. chips, french fries, courgette, zucchini, I think zucchini, coriander, cilantro, crisps, potato chips, cutlery, silverware, eggy bread, French toast, eggy bread. Are you bloody serious? 토스트는 eggy bread이라네요. cupcake to fairy cake. ham, gammon. 우, 되게 남성스러운 단어네요. gammon. Let's go for a gammon, mate. That's my worst British impression ever. jug, a pitcher. 맞아요. jug은 영어 단어 맞아요. marrow, squash. morning meal. morning meal 맞아요. morning meal. 그래서 brunch. mid-morning meal. minced meat, ground meat. porridge, oatmeal. 맞아요. rubbish, garbage, trash, rubbish. 예, minced 그런 뜻이에요. 이렇게 막 자른 거 뭐 minced meat, mince는 다른 것도 쓸 수 있어요. minced 이렇게 막 엄청 적게, 엄청 작게 자른 거. Spring onions, green onions. Starter, appetizer. 오, where did you go, buddy? Okay. Tin, a can. 네, 맞아요. Sweets, candy. Beetroot, candy floss, biscuit, fairy, cupcake. 그러네요. 맞아. 따지다. 따지다. mince. To mince vegetables. 야채를 다지다. 그럼 저는 뒤진다 단어는 어디서 나왔을까요? 원래 이런 단어 있죠. 그럼 무슨 그 슬랭 같은 거 아니죠? Select. Save and let's see what's happening. 죽는다, 벼주노. 신기해요. 저는 그냥 무슨 슬랭 같은 거인 줄 알았어요. 저거 뭐지? 벼주노 완전 막 사전에 나오는 거 아닌 것 같은 단어? 그렇게 생각했어요. Breakfast, lunch menu, tea time menu, dinner menu. 그 저는 어렸을 때는 왠지 그거 완전 다르게 배웠는데 헷갈리고 있겠네요. 헷갈리는 거죠, 아마도. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, breakfast, dinner, supper. 런치 대신에 디너를 미국에 디너를 썼던 것 같아요. 오케이, 일단은 조금밖에 남았는데. 한시, 근데 거의 다 한시 되네요. 저 이런 거 안 쓰고 있죠. 이런 단어. 오케이, 그냥 일단 이것도 해봅시다. 어차피 거의 다 끝이 왔는데. div class left label, and then we close this fellow down. And what do we do next? Label, and from the label we put for improve y have it? I have no idea. And then from over here, what should we what part of the menu should we improve? Okay, perfect. Nope, back, and then put a container. No, not dialog. We're in the container, and then this container is gonna be class write input. And then it's gonna be a select, and then the ID should be unlisted. Checkbox. Okay. It's not a select, it's a unlist. So it should be something similar to this guy over there. List. Oh wow, it looks like I didn't put a div over here. 안녕히 주무세요 형님. 푹 주무시고 몸 조심하세요. 내일 뵙겠습니다. 저는 주고만 하다가 저도 자야겠어요. 저도 이제 좀 이상하게 몸이 아프기 시작하네요. 짜오. Unlisted. and from the unlisted we put an ID, and then we put a style, which is going to be a list style, and then none, because we don't none of that crap for some reason, no idea why. And then from here we put a list, class checkbox, and then we close it down, and then put it a label, input name, checkbox, input name, prefer name, improve, wait, okay, no, it's okay, it's okay. Value is going to be set to 1, and then type checkbox, and then class. Oh wait, did I put improve form class? Let's put a class like these guys. Improve form, and then we're gonna close this guy. Close this guy down. Should we not close this guy down? Okay. Bang. We repeat everything again. Type checkbox, class is going to be to improve, dash form, and then let's put a quantity, no, size of portions, and then the label is closed, so it's okay. Size of portions, what kind of problems a restaurant might have. taste of food, size of portions, variety of food. Okay, let's put a variety down then. Not bad at all. Variety class. This is gonna be a checkbox again. Memorized by repetition. Repetition is the mother of knowledge and the father of stupidity. Name improve. Value is going to be set to 1. Oops, type is going to be set to checkbox. How can I move? Tab. Oh, you can just click tab. Nice. Class is going to be improve form. And then we're gonna close this thing down. What did I say? Oops, I forgot what I said just now. Taste, size, variety of, no, let's see, menu variety. Wait, how did you type variety? Okay, oh, okay, nice. I almost forgot how to type variety. Silly of me. And another problem might be quality of service. So list class checkbox, and then we go down, input name, improve value. No, where are you going? Value is going to be set to 1. Type is going to be set to checkbox, and class is going to be set to improve form. Quality of service. And also another problem might be interior, probably. Nah. Okay, let's put it at 4. Let's leave it until now. If I think of something else later, I'm gonna add it eventually. Save this, buddy. Okay, friend, what do you have for me? Okay, nice. Bang, working. Not bad at all. Okay, and let's just push this to my GitHub. I'm gonna stage these guys, stage, and then what should I message? What did I write yesterday? I forgot. Let me just check. Oop, I can't really remember what I did yesterday. Go to GitHub. Oops, sorry, my bad. Server. I can't write survey. ACURVEY. And then day 2. And then bang, control enter. And what I do next is I'm gonna push. Push, buddy, push. And we're pushing now. Push all that data to GitHub. Okay, nice. If I update now, there should be survey day 2. Perfect. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna add the, what do we have here? Comment section, and then start with the CSS, which is gonna take a lot of time. I might do a longer stream tomorrow, depending on what time I have. Let's see. Good evening, everybody. Wait, no, not yet. Okay, we can summarize what we did today. I left what I left off from yesterday, just continued on and just left away just one tiny bit of section down there, the comment section. Everybody needs a comment section. Let's turn the head around, be a little bit more cool. Yeah, okay. So yeah, what I said is we left off. We have one more section left, which is the comment section. After the comment section, we're gonna go through the CSS, and after the CSS, we're gonna publish the assignment. Okay. Good night. 네, 오늘까지 미안해요. 오늘까지 아니고 어제 했던 거에서 조금 더 이어지고 지금 코멘트 섹션만 남았어요. 그럼 코멘트 섹션만 끝나면 CSS도 작업하고 CSS 다 작업하면 바로 과제를 올리고 다음 과제로 넘어가야 되죠. 일단 내일은 아마 좀 길게 할 수도 있어요. CSS 해야 되니까. CSS는 아직 많이 헷갈리죠. 네, 일단은 내일 시간 보고 1시간만 일 수도 있고 2시간 일 수도 있고 3시간 일 수도 있어요. 일단은 내일 또 끝냈으면 좋긴 하죠. 오케이. 일단 저는 자러 가겠습니다. 안녕히 주무세요, 여러분. 내일 뵙겠습니다. 빵. 바이바이.